And viewers, we go straight across to Bengaluru where pictures are coming in right now. Let's go ahead and see what is happening outside the Chinnaswamy Stadium where Karnataka Home Minister G. Parameshwara has just reached the Stampede side with the Commissioner of Police. Okay, so those are pictures coming in right now. We saw that the Commissioner of Police was also at Chinnaswamy Stadium, and Karnataka Home Minister can be seen on your screens where he is at Chinnaswamy Stadium taking a stock of that stadium and the situation, and he's with the police commissioner. This is the Karnataka Home Minister, and we understand that there will be a meeting which will be held as well. I want to go straight across to my colleague who's joining us right now. Abhishek is on the ground. Abhishek, those pictures are coming in of the Karnataka Home Minister G. Parameshwara. But I also want to tell our viewers the BJP is putting a lot of pressure on the Karnataka government there, on the Congress leaders there. They're saying that these ministers and the CM should resign over the stampede. So we're seeing multiple developments coming in. Yes, go ahead.
Well, Shivangi, I am at the Chinnaswamy Cricket Stadium where the actual stampede happened yesterday. This is the main gate where the players entered, and this is also one of the reasons as to why the people actually here gathered to make sure that they would see their stars live in person. So this is the first situation what we are showing you now. So the next situation would be the place where the Home Minister and B. Dayananda, the Commissioner of Bengaluru City Police, is inside the Chinnaswamy Cricket Stadium as of now to hold a meeting with the KSA officials and to actually gather the information as to what arrangements had been made from KSA previously. While Home Minister G. Parameshwara and Dayananda, the Commissioner of Bengaluru, made sure they completely encircled the complete stadium to make sure and to know the actual places of the stampede, and also they wanted to know how the public tried to enter the Chinnaswamy Stadium by breaking through the gates is the visuals what we have seen as of now. So other than these two updates, it is also expected that the High Court of Karnataka will hold a petition at 2:30, which is a suo motu case registered by the High Court with respect to the stampede that happened yesterday, which took around 11 lives, innocent lives, because of the negligence of the Karnataka State Government and the Karnataka State Police. So we are waiting for much more updates like this. Once, on the other hand, Aam Aadmi Party and a private advocate, a senior counsel, has also placed in a complaint to the Commissioner of Police and as well as in the Kabban Park Police Station to make sure that the FIR has been registered against the Royal Challengers Bengaluru and KSA in one part. And the Aam Aadmi Party has demanded that the FIR has to be lodged against the Karnataka State Government and also the Police Department or the Home Department. So various perspectives, various point of views, and there are various other developments with respect to the event, the stampede that happened for the first time in the history of Bengaluru. For the last 45 to 47 years, none of such event had happened in Bengaluru. So the Bengaluru, which had to be celebrating the victory of RCB after 18 years, is now mourning the death of 11 innocent lives, which was duly to the negligence of the local police and which was duly to the negligence of the Karnataka State Government. So these are some of the updates what we have as of now. We are waiting for much more updates in the next coming hours. Shivangi.
Right. We're getting these pictures coming in, and we see Abhishek getting us all those details. I also want to take our viewers through, what we can expect next, because Abhishek, hold on, emergency meeting will also be held very soon. This is an emergency meeting led by Home Minister Parameshwara at the Chinnaswamy